Hey guys, today I'll show you how to install an Auto Start-Stop mod on my 2024 Honda Pilot TrailSport. This is my first mod for this vehicle because it's easy to install, affordable, and eliminates the annoyances of the start-stop feature. Plus, it should help extend the life of the vehicle's components. I chose this specific mod for its simplicity. I'll include a direct Amazon link in the description. Unlike some versions that require removing the wireless charging pad, the center console, and the climate control center, this one is much more straightforward. We'll only need to remove the center console. Some of the reasons to disable Auto Start Stop feature are wear and tear on the starter from frequent restarting. The motor can wear out quickly. Battery strain, because the system puts extra demand on battery, potentially shortening its lifespan. And the big one is reduced AC and heating performance. This can be a pretty big one in hot climates and cold climates. Additionally, responsiveness, there can be a slight delay in the engine response when restarting. But let's go ahead and get into the installation process.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
First, just lift this armrest just to get it out of the way so you have more room to actually work in. And just start at the top. There's about 3 clips on each side. One is on top, one is in the middle, and one's towards the bottom on both sides. This right side is actually the easiest one to do this. Just kind of work your way. Don't be too aggressive. Take your time. You don't want to damage the clips. Alright. Once you have this side, and I'll show you what it looks like real quick. Should look like this. That back left corner is the hardest one to actually remove. And the best way that I found with the back left corner is try to work your way from the back itself. There's a clip right there. Bam. There we go. Now that we have it popped out, the line you want to replace is the one in the middle, in the center. So let's, there's a little clip here. Just squeeze on it and pull back. It's pretty straightforward. And now we're going to put the mod in. There's only one way to go, so make sure it clicks. And there we go, make sure it clicks in there. There we go. And now I would test it before you snap it back in, just so you don't have to redo it. Make sure everything works well. Alright, and then in the bottom left you see the A with off. So it's working as intended. Good thing about this mod is if you do want to use the little button to disable it, you can do it. Alright, now we're going to slowly align this. Make sure you put that line safely and securely in that little hole. And then just snap it back in place slowly. And that should be it. Again, this is my first mod. It's pretty straightforward. I like it. And it works flawlessly. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys.